Hello and welcome to your 11th video tutorial for C++ programming language. And I actually cleared out of everything because of this reason. Will include IO stream. I have disabled syntax highlighting for now. Int main and a basic hello world program which I'm building. And return 0. Now first of all, when we save this file, desktop tutorial, and I have this tube.cp table. And if I run this, it comes out hello world G++ tube.cpp. Hey, and it prints out hello world. Good enough. Now let us assume include cmap, include cstdlib, include fstream, include stdio.h, include vector, and many other files. How do you expect me to remember which file contains which function? Well, I have a shortcut. It's called bits std c++.h, and what this does is it includes most of the header files in C++. And one other commonly used header file which it doesn't include is ponyo.h. So just include these two files, and for 99% of your projects you'll be good to go. The second thing we'll do for this tutorial is we'll be reviewing functions. So what are functions? They are basically code snippets which do something. So now the program executes from line 1 and continues execution. However, the commands are actually run from the point the main exists. So right here before main, if you want to use a function, you have to tell the compiler that such a function exists and it's in your program. So int factorial int. What this means is that there's a function called factorial which takes a parameter integer. Basically we'll be using this a number integer in that factorial which the user will have to tell us to process and give out something which is again an integer. So int factorial int, and since now we are explaining the code, we have to give that a variable name, and there you go. So int f equals 1 for int I equals 2, I is less than equals n plus I, f times equals I, and if you actually write it down somewhere on paper, you will understand that after this loop is completely executed, f will contain the value of n factorial. So return f. What happens now is that, okay, I had said whenever I do static factorial, it will give me back something which is an integer. So I have to return something which is an integer. F here you see is an integer. So cout factorial of 5 and this program will run absolutely fine, I hope so. Okay, I put an extra semicolon and it's fine. 120. There you go. Factorial of 5 is 120. Factorial of 12. Something something. Okay, fine. Probably it's correct. We are assuming. So anyways, this was the basics of functions. Actually, there's another way to program this exact function. Now, if n is 0, you know the answer is 0. I mean 1. And if n is not 0, the answer is factorial of n minus 1 and times this thing. This is called a recursive function. Right now, using a recursive function for this program pretty much makes no sense. I can in fact explain it to you better in code blocks because it even shows me the program's execution time. So you'll basically be able to see that this implementation, which is very simple to understand, actually takes a lot more time than that implementation, which is slightly complicated for understanding. So Control A, copy, and Control A, paste, build and run. Execution time 0.029 seconds. Okay, and in case I had that book from copy, paste 0.067, which means it's basically saying that the loop is taking more time. 0.016, 0.019, 0.021, 0.02. In this case, 0.042, 0.015, 0.28, 0.018. Actually, 12 is a small number. And we had discussed about the long int. So long, and check it out. So we know it can find out up to 25, I think. That's what it no, it's wrong in 25. In 20, I think it was right. Yeah, see, 0.069, 0.018. Well, actually, it has a cache memory. That's what is helping it. Anyways, so this is the last try I'm giving to just check it out. Int x equals 20. It can actually be made to work. No, it has a cache memory. And I cannot input it in the same time, obviously. So basically, I cannot show it to you. Whenever we do time complexity, we take up this example to understand why the recursive implementation is very much more difficult and time consuming for a computer. For us, it's easy to understand again. And so for now, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel.